Hi everyone! In today's adventure we'll be adding pipe freeze into an attic drain. So what happened in the hood here a year or so ago, and it happened at a house one time. If the drain pipes freeze, the water backs up and then you get to put new wood floors in because the first floor will come down to the second floor if you have this kind of situation, but we do have that kind. So this is up in the attic. It's a drain for the HVAC, and we're going to go up there and wrap it. And this thing, I believe, has self-regulating pipe heating cable. Works on all of them pipes there. It's UL approved. Underwriters Laboratories, and we got this special high temp tape. I really don't know what kind of design I'm going to employ here. Okay, we put those on Spitfire. And look at that, and here is the pre-assembled heat cable. And let me open that up and we'll show what that's like. So I guess I'll take those up, and I'm gonna need your blade. Now I'm sure that you need not to cut into this at all. This is a pre-made thing. I put this on well house too. It was 13 the other night, and I had water the next morning, so things are looking up. We're not going to be seeing candles in the rain. Lay down. Okay. So we've got this open. It's for somebody you're not ever supposed to say never or always. They say a lot of it, don't they? So this thing's rather delicate, so I'd recommend you be very careful and read the instructions completely. So it comes with this stuff here. That's how you do that. I don't think I like that. I think I like this better. So, and it does call for foil tape there. I don't think that's going to serve us at all. So we're going to head up to the attic now, and it gives all your directions on. It does not seem to engage unless it's under 37 degrees. Here's your end cap and all that other stuff. So, all right, you can get this stuff in all kind of different lengths. So, got a little bit longer because I want to go down the wall if I can some. And now when you go in the attic, be sure and get your breathing apparatus, your filter, some kind of mask, and stuff like that. Carry your knife with you. Okay, well, we're going up. So I got one of these things. I've never seen this kind before. Pretty neat. It's just a little one-piece thing. So I'm pretty happy with that. Simple enough for a simple job like this. I don't think it tells you what they're for. I would mold lead paint, stuff like that. So not for painting the car or nothing. Okay, well that's all you need. Oh, and you can get different sizes. All right, cool. All right, let's go up there and go. So we're up in the attic here, and see, I can prove it. And this is our unit. So this drain here, of course, goes down to here, and this drain here goes all the way across there. Luckily, it's not too bad to get to. I got these on my wrist. I feel like a Roman gladiator or something. Biggest dickus. Okay, so I gotta kind of worm my way over there. See that white pipe right there? That's what we gotta wrap. That's what froze up, and there was actually ice floating around in this pan. So there's a moisture detector there now, and all we gotta do is find, there's one around here somewhere. Oh, they left a bunch of stuff there. I'll be dogged. There's always supposed to be an outlet. Well, there's one right there. So I'm gonna have to kind of double back, but that's okay. At least I got one. And TST was here, Kilroy. So that's one of the reasons to get one a little longer than you need it, because we're going to have to come back from that outlet around this outer wood thing and come back here, and that's insulated. But I'd rather, you know, the thing to do might be start over there and then work our way back up this way. Let me get hold of a tape measure. I think it said this thing was 16 something feet. So let's see if I can get a tape measure and get this, and just go the other way and save us a lot of this tube. Yeah, that'd probably save about 5 feet going that way. We'll see. I have to think about it. Dang, I wish there was an outlet over here. I don't want to use an extension cord on this. I think, oh, there's your best hanging apparatus. Well, I guess it works. Okay, thank you. Alright, let's just look around. Alright, that's all there is. Well, let me do some measuring and we'll see where we end up. And on my rebuilt Nebo there, just a little extra light. Watch your step now. First step's a doozy. Okay, got more than enough to do it the long way, which I prefer, because I want to have enough to sort of wrap around both of these. You don't want either one of these, that one with the first uninsulated P-trap, I want to insulate that too, and then I want to insulate the one that is insulated, and I want to kind of do both of those. So we're gonna sort that out. We're gonna get that where we want it. Okay, so yeah, I got plenty of this stuff. Too much is better than not enough, because you can kind of double back and just make sure that it works better that way. Okay, let's get started. This 3M tape is kind of hard to deal with, so get it started before you start on your mission here, and so you don't have to sit there messing with your fingernails trying to get it started. So okay. Well, it ain't 37 up here, that's for sure. We're about coming on. Okay. I'm just trying to reroute my trip. Maybe get to LA via Omaha. Okay. I'll show the whole route at the end, but I've got it started. I've come in from the outlet, show in a minute, and I come around this first P-trap here, and I'm not going to be able to do much with that one. I don't think that one's going to be much of a problem. But anyway, this had some insulation around it. I peeled it off. I'm gonna maybe put that on here. Maybe that'd be better. And because I've got heat there now, so let's use the insulation that was where I just put this and put it on this one. And we're on our start here now. Stuff's hard to work with, but it's good stuff. Very sticky. It had some kind of thing here, so I just left it there. I keep thinking this over. It's warm. It's close enough to the unit. I think it'll be warm. All right, we got to start on it. I did put that insulator on the second one because I got heat there. Don't see any troubles here. Might move that away from that some. Okay, so you can tell I got to start, and we're to right there, and I'm going to do the least amount of tape I can, and then I'll come back and tape with whatever extra I got. So we got to head that way, so let's put our breathing stuff on. I think I'm just going to have to, I'm not going to be able to tape over there and keep my balance and all that other stuff. I don't want to go through the ceiling. So anyway, let's get over there and be sure and get that. That's already bothering me because I don't have that on, so put that on. I'm going to be a little shaky after that. That's about 30 minutes, maybe 40, I don't know. So I started it here. Let me get my other light out. You can see where I taped it, and I had enough to go under and back over. I went all the way over to the wall, to the output side. I went as far down as I could, and then I kick the insulation back up. But I double back, and there's your LED light there to show that it's on. So I had enough to come back, double back, wrap it up as good as I could, and I was able to put this LED indicator right here so you can just see it when you look over at the unit. Make sure it's working. So that's all there is to it. It's not terrible. It's just sort of messy, and you just got to get your mind right and do it. So give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe and all that stuff. And let's go take a shower. So yeah, I feel real good about all this stuff here now too. So okay. Oh yeah, I got the curl of the stuff that I came up this pipe too. So all the pipes are covered. So we ought to be real good here. All right, that's it. Thanks again. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.